This is a Hengyuan brand concrete pump. We can provide the capacity 40, 50, 60, 80, 90 cubic meter per hour. Then I will introduce why Hengyuan brand concrete pump is worth to be chosen. The main hydraulic pump is Kawasaki brand and valves with Wechat brand. The diesel engine brand can be Cummins, Wechat, Weifang. The hydraulic cylinder and concrete cylinder is necessary to compare with the size when you plan to make a purchase. The radiator we use top brand from Hengyuan. The concrete pump can be controlled by local and remote. The PLC is Siemens or Omron brand. Relay with Schneider brand. Breaker with CHNT brand, which is top in China. There's an emergency switch in the control panel. Most of the factory don't have it. 100 meters pipes and accessories, cleaning balls, free spare parts are included. This is Hengyuan brand diesel engine drive concrete pump. If you want to know more details, please contact us freely.